Hey, take a look at this channel right here, making anywhere from 450,000 views a day all the way to 1,000,000 views each and every day. You know, they're making around $170 a day up to $245 a day. But let's check if this is correct. So let's say they're making 800,000 views every day. And let's say that they're making $1 per 1,000 views. That's around $800 a day. That's around $5,600 per week. And around $22.4 thousand every month. Now let's check if this is true, because if we go up to Social Blade right here, it estimates that it's making anywhere from 3,000 per month up to 54,000 per month. So pretty much dead on in the center here. And if you want to make money like this, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. Today, I'm going to show you YouTube without showing your face. I'm going to show you niche number 1, niche number 2, and niche number 3. And the crazy part is that we are going to go from the hardest for you to do to the medium for you to do and the easiest YouTube niche that you can do. So this is, like I said, completely without showing your face. So if you want to leverage YouTube as the best video platform out there and make money so you can, I don't know, travel the world, spend time with your family and kids, or just sit around watching Game of Thrones all day, you can do so. And I also want to say that if you're looking to just do YouTube Shorts, well, you really have to watch this video, because if you only go with YouTube Shorts, you're not going to make the most amount of money, but I'm going to show you that. So just stay tuned with me on this one, all right? So the first niche that we're going to talk about, the hardest for you to do, is actually I like woodworking. So they have 140 uploads and they're getting 3 million views the last 30 days. Now, since this is not YouTube Shorts, we can actually check the monthly earnings here, and they're at least making anywhere from $3,000 to $7,000 monthly earnings. And they're hopefully making more in the back end, which I'm going to show you a monetization strategy in a minute. Now they're making around 100,000 views each and every day. And the videos that they're making is woodworking skills for restore broken furniture, amazing ingenious woodworker, techniques, woodworking skills, and all of these different stuff. It's very simple, although of course it is woodworking. So you have to have some sort of woodworking skills. You all know that, I bet. But this seems like something I would love to do. And actually, it's a plan that I am going to make a woodworking channel, or sort of like a creative type channel in the future, because that's what I love doing. Now, let me take you over to this other channel called Blacktail Studio. And this is getting 15 million views each and every month. You can see around 500,000 views each and every day. Now, this guy actually does talk into the microphone. The other one channel here, I Like Woodworking, they never talk into the microphone. Now, the thing with this guy, and the reason that he's getting like 1,000,000 views on some of these is, for example, $4,000 block of wood. So he's working with very expensive woodworking, and he's making tables and art for other people. Now, let me show you the last woodworking projects here, DIY woodworking projects. They're getting around 3 million views as well. And yeah, they're pretty much doing the exact same thing that this first channel was doing. They're never showing their face pretty much, and they're just doing super simple, you know, crafts. You can do this at home if you got some tools, and you can get 2.6 million views. Yeah, that's right. Now, you might be wondering, what would I sell if I was this channel? Now, one of the ClickBank products that has been selling amazingly over, I don't think it's like 3-4 years here on ClickBank, is Ted's Woodworking. So here you can see that every time you sell this, you're going to make $57. So let's take a look at the sales page. What they are going to get is 16,000 wood plants. Yeah, that's right. So perfect for anybody that wants to start woodworking. Essentially, imagine you can make all of these woodworking projects right here if you purchase this product, which again is perfect. Have a couple of Coronas in the middle of the table. Sounds pretty good right now. Maybe get 4 kids so you can build this 4-kid bunk bed that they're definitely not going to grow out of when they're older. So this is the hard niche. And the niche is obviously woodworking. Now, the system is really to find a woodworking project. For example, Ted's Woodworking has 16,000 that you could do. And then you make the product and film it without talking. The third step is to add text on top of the video. So sometimes under, they have the text that says like, put the screw in the hole or whatever. And the optional is obviously to have voiceover on top of that, but you don't have to, because a lot of people love hearing the sound of wood gnicking together, hearing the sanding block. When I'm at home, I love hearing two pieces of wood smack together. Anyways, is this the niche that you want to go with? If it is, congratulations. This is definitely something I'm going to do in the future. So yeah, so take that into heart. Now I'm going to show you niche number 2, but I'm not going to show you that before you like the video. If you appreciate videos like this, always help me to get to 5,000 likes. We need to get to 5,000 likes. That's the rule. So the second niche that I'm going to show you is the luxury niche. Now, if you haven't heard of the riches before, they've pretty much been around since 2014, and they cover the rich lifestyle, the luxury lifestyle, and all of that. Now you can see that they actually deleted about 63 million views the last 30 days, but I found that they're getting around 690,000, 800,000 here. So if you just put the calculator up, and let's say they're getting 500,000 views each and every day times 30, that's around 15,000 views every month. How much do you think that they're making from these views about people actually loving luxury items? The CPM of that is crazy high. So they're probably making around $10 per 1,000 views. So what that means is 15,000 times 10, around $150,000 per month. That's a ridiculously big amount of money just from AdSense alone. Now I'm going to show you a monetization strategy, and I'm also going to show you a couple of different channels. Now maybe you've seen this before, but the videos is kind of like what it's like to be a billionaire in Brunei, Elon Musk's 40K Tesla ring, what it's like to be a billionaire in Spain, the most expensive gadgets in the world, and all of these types of videos. The second channel I want to show you is called alex.com. Now they've also been around for a while, and they do pretty much the same thing. 5.5 million views the last 30 days here. And as you can see, 10 royals who gave up their title, 15 gifts rich people want for Christmas, 15 ways to explode your income next year, 90,000 views the last days. And they're focusing on those rich luxury type lifestyle. Now the next channel is King Luxury. They've actually started in 2020, which makes me extremely excited, because that means that you could have started in 2020 and literally within a year, so that's like 1 year ago you could make money like this. Are you kidding me? 2.3 million views in the luxury niche. Now, take a look at the videos right here, and it's basically the most incredible homes in the world, a day in the life of Saudi King Salman, a day in the life of the richest billionaires' kids. And the crazy part about some of these videos is that they're not even talking into the microphone. They don't have a script, they don't have a voiceover, and that is something you could do as well. Now, the product, and there's obviously many products that you can sell. One of them is called Perpetual Income 365. This is brand new version 3.0, and you're gonna make $345 each and every sale. Now, if I click onto the sales page of this one, you can see that it looks like this: how ordinary people are manipulating the secret algorithm Perpetual Income every month. And here they have a sales page. They enter the name and email, and then they purchase, and then they have upsells and all of that jazz. So is this something you think that you could go into? If you didn't want to go into woodworking, maybe you want to go into the niche of luxury, where the system right here is to first find luxury footage, and you can actually find that copyright free from Ferrari, Lamborghini. You can find it from yacht companies, real estate agent companies, and just make sure that you post a link in the description to the real estate company, or for example, a luxury car brand, and they're not going to care if you take that footage. Then you write a script, you voice over that script, you edit a video, and then you have a luxury thumbnail, and then obviously you publish. It's a very simple way for you to start making a lot of money, specifically because it's in a very high CPM niche, meaning that you're going to make higher dollars per 1,000 clicks. So is that the one that you want to go with? The niche of luxury is definitely something that I was thinking about in the early days of my YouTube career. And niche number 3, the last one and the easiest for you to do, is going to be the health niche. So this is a gravity transformation. They're getting 13 million views the last 30 days. And once again, this is another high CPM niche. And if you go into the videos, you can see that what they're talking about is literally 10 things you should never do at the gym, 9 tips that will help your chest grow, literally 1 million views the last 10 days, 10 simple exercises to lose love handles. Oh my god, look at the views on this channel. It's absolutely ridiculous, right? Now, the next channel I want to show you is actually Body Hub. This is pretty much the easiest channel that pretty much any of you guys could do, and it's getting 6 million views the last 30 days. Now check out this channel. As you can see, just 2 cups of water a day on an empty stomach. And also I want you to take a look at the actual footage, how they're actually making the YouTube video. I ran 5K every day, and this is what happened. I took creatine every day after workout. I stretched for 30 days to increase my height. You can see that is literally stock footage with some text on top of it that I could outsource for $5 a video. Like, this is the simplest content that anybody could produce and get paid very handsomely. And what you might not know is that the health market is the biggest in the world when it comes to the consumers. So if I go on ClickBank here and I literally just click the search icon, I get every product on ClickBank. Then I rank them by gravity, which means the highest selling. And you'll see that this is an health offer. This is an health offer. This one, this one, this one. Literally the first 5 are health offers, and they don't pay out, $30. They pay out you $154, $115, $107, and the list goes on. Isn't that crazy? You can sell one of these and make over $100 each and every sale as an affiliate. And the products that it will be, and let's take a look at the sales page right here, is like these supplement type of things. So this seems like it has a lot of natural herbs and stuff like this in it. And it looks like it has some verified purchases and all of that great stuff. So now, do you want to go with a health niche where the system is so simple that you literally find health and workout tips? You write a script, you voice over that script, and then you literally find stock footage. For example, you can do it for free on pexels.com, pixabay.com, or unsplash.com. You can get as many free stock footage as you want. You can just search for health here, and you can literally just put it right into your video completely copyright free. Now, I want to ask you a question. Do you want to do this? Do you feel like you're able to either make a niche in the woodworking, maybe the luxury, maybe even the health, or maybe even a different niche?